Ding, 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 ding. Excuse me, folks. Are you ready for this video?
Yeah.
I mean, are you really ready?
Cause I'm ready.
Yeah.
What is up, ladies and gents? Me and Kenji are going to do a little different video today, huh, Kenji?
Yeah.
We're going to do a little unboxing, build, maybe review. I don't know. A little father-son geek-out. And we're going to do
It's the Marvel's Lego superheroes.
the Hulk Smasher.
The Hulk Smasher.
The Hulk Buster Smash, excuse me. And this is what we're going to do today. This is our setup.
Let's open it!
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, Kenji. So how do we do this? Let's go ahead and get started, right?
Yeah.
And let's get at it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we go, guys. Kenji has been jumping up and down for joy wanting to open this. I bought this last week, and he just can't hold his excitement anymore. So I told him today after work, we're going to go ahead and rip this bad boy open.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
Alright.
A top. Here we go. It's got tape. Duct tape. Hey, duct tape.
Duct tape.
We need scissors. We need a sword. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Alright.
We are the ninjas. We are the Mr. Buff. Woo! Woohoo! Bag number 3. Bag number. Oh, it's Hulk!
Alright, put it down. Keep going.
Fingers Hulk. Bag number 1.
Mm-hmm. You're right.
Bag number 2.
Uh-huh.
Instructions. And hey, it's not instructions.
Is there any more? That's it? Okay. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this box and put it right here. What is this, some stickers? Ah, boo. Okay.
This is for the doors.
Yeah.
For that.
You're right.
We
Okay,
need that.
and we're gonna go ahead and follow these instructions. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess if we start with bag number 1.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh, you cannot move it. Daddy, you cannot move it. Let's change this bag. Oh my gosh.
Alright, that is bag 1. This is the trap, as you can see.
You can open it.
And Hulk goes in there. Let's put him in there.
Yep. With the feet and that. What is this? Let's get this now. This is nasty.
Alright, there it is. The Hulk trap with Scarlet Witch up there.
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna hang out right there.
Yep, with Hulk.
And now, on to bag 2.
Yeah. Something strange in the hood. Dash, dash. And good horse. Just the he called the Hulkbuster.
them right there. See them both
Yeah.
of those.
Yeah, this is the end.
No, not yet. Good. Push it
Then-
down. There you go. And then it goes. Shh. Okay.
Oh God. Okay. You can
But we're
stay.
gonna wait now, okay? Because we gotta put the rest of it together.
Oh, he's open. Oh, he's in front. Oh, he's
All right, that's phase 2.
More.
One more, and we
You got
are
time.
at
You
the
got
finish
time.
line.
I'm the roofing. I'm the I no care. Because I the feel because I'm happy. I get to know that I love you because I'm happy.
And here it is, folks. The Hulk Smasher.
Hulk smash.
Just so you guys can see, it creates little different little movable components, and it actually snaps closed. So pop it open, and your little Iron Man guy is right in there. I know a certain YouTuber that I watch pretty regularly, Austin and Jess. Austin, I know that you can appreciate this one. It's Iron Man. Snap. Hulk Smasher, baby.
Not Hulk smasher. The Hulk buster.
Hulk Buster, whatever. Let's see if we can do it. And it shoots.
Yeah,
So you got Hulk.
it can hold him.
You got Scarlet Witch.
And Ultron. It can hold him too. I gotta find out what they can happen. Evil down.
Yeah. And there's a big Buddha behind that. Well, that was pretty awesome. That was a really cool build. Did you have fun, Kenji?
Yeah.
Yeah? Some people have said that I'm kind of like the Hulk because on a normal basis I'm very mellow, very calm. But for those that choose to push the wrong buttons, I can just... You know what I mean? Well, as the villain tries to take over, this is who he has to face. Right, Kenji?
Yeah.
The Avengers.
Avengers, they beat
And the Hulk Smasher. Alright, show me your best Hulk smash. Do it again, one more time. Alright. Okay, folks, well, that is it. That is going to end this video. We just wanted to do something different. Kenji has been wanting to do the set, and this is our first full-length Lego build video where that's all it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments, engage in conversation with us, because we love it. We love the interaction. And if you're new here, thank you for coming along. Hit subscribe if you like what you see. And in case you guys are new here, my name is Scott. This is Kenji. And my fiance, his mom, is also in the other room. That is Chanel. And we make up Sky's the Limit vlogs. So if you caught this and you did not know anything prior, come check out our vlogs. They're right there. You know, hit the little, you know.
It's on top of my head.
Almost, huh? Almost. Right up there in the cards. Go check out some videos and the links in the description. So what we like to do is always send it off on a positive note. So I hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And yeah, this will be your Friday video. So don't forget to always shoot for your dreams, always shoot for happiness, because the sky's the limit, which means you guys can do whatever you want. And we will see you on Monday. Right, Kenji?
Yeah.
You gonna sign off?
Yeah.
No? Okay.
I can sign off.
Peace.
Yeah. Peace.
She tryna defrost, forgetful but she focused, she just got up. Chillin' cause it's girls' night, tryna get served right, not far from home, she's traded in the verb life. City scene for a pretty queen, she crept in low-key with a house key. She taking the group to pee and she feeling free. Camera flicker in the mirror, make it tough.